Microsoft says this laptop from 2013 belongs in a landfill. They claim it cannot run Windows 11. Today, I am going to prove them wrong. I am going to show you a high-speed development method to completely skip the not compatible errors and force a clean install of Windows 11 onto unsupported hardware. If you want maximum performance with zero time wasted, stay tuned. Since this is a fresh install from scratch, you need a USB drive that is at least 16 gigabytes. We are wiping this entire PC clean for the best results. So back up your files right now. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for the Windows 11 ISO. Scroll down to the x64 download section and select the ISO file. Under product language, choose English International for the best compatibility, then hit confirm. While that massive file downloads, head over to rufus.ie. Scroll down and download the latest Rufus executable. Once both files are ready, plug in your USB drive. Now, things get technical. Open Rufus. You don't need to install it, just run it. Select your USB drive at the top, then click Select and load your Windows 11 ISO. Stop right here and look at your partition scheme. This is critical. Press the Windows key, type System Information, and look at your BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, set Rufus to GPT. If it says Legacy, set Rufus to MBR. If you guess this wrong, your PC will not boot. Ensure the file system is set to NTFS and click Start. Now, Rufus drops the ultimate bypass menu. This is non-negotiable. Check the box to remove requirements for 4 GB RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. Also check remove requirement for an online Microsoft account, disable data collection, and quality of life improvements. This bakes the bypass straight into the drive. Click OK and let it flash. Pro tip while you wait. Open File Explorer, find the C drive you are installing Windows on, and rename it to Install Here or New Installation Here. This guarantees you don't accidentally format the wrong drive later. Once Rufus is done, keep the USB plugged in and completely shut down the PC. Turn the PC back on and immediately start mashing your boot menu hotkey. For most PCs, this is F12, F10, or Escape. When the menu pops up, use your arrow keys to select your USB drive and hit Enter. When the setup loads, do not skip this step. Change your time and currency format to English World. This is a massive hidden trick. It forces Windows to install with zero third-party bloatware. No TikTok, no Candy Crush. Click Next, select Install Windows 11, and choose the Custom Install option. You should now see your drives, including the one we renamed. Before clicking anything, press Shift plus F10 to open the terminal. We are going to properly wipe the drive. Type DiskPart and hit Enter. Then type List Disk. Find your disk number. Type Select Disk followed by your number and hit Enter. Type Clean to completely format the drive. Finally, we need to match the scheme we picked in Rufus. If you chose GPT earlier, type Convert GPT. If you chose MBR, type Convert MBR. Once it says Successful, type Exit twice to close the window. Now, select your unallocated drive, click New, apply it, and hit Next. Windows will begin installing. When the setup finishes, you might see a red error saying OOBE. Do not panic. This happens because we use the English World trick. Just click Skip, finish the basic setup, and you are in. A fully functional, debloated Windows 11 running on hardware from 2013. Go into Settings to fix your region, then update all your drivers. If this saved your old laptop, hit subscribe. But we aren't done yet. Now that Windows is installed, you need to optimize it. Click the video on screen right now to disable the hidden Windows services that are silently killing your PC's performance. See you there.